Basava Rajeshwari Sharanu Shanapti to all. I am from Gulbarga district, Karnataka state, India. I want to tell about Lord Sri Basaveshwara. Lord Sri Basaveshwara was born in 12th century. He was a prime minister and sovereign person in Kalyana Chalukya dynasty. As a sovereign person and prime minister, he was also philosopher and social reformer. He written constitution in the 12th century. So he also written seven commandments given to us. First one is don't steal, don't kill, don't lie, don't loathe, don't agree, don't praise yourself, don't blame to others. This is the inner and outer purification of mind and soul. All are total Sangam Deva for healthy society and for healthy for purification of life. Bashveshwara given the seven commandments to us. Bashveshwara written seven rights to us. First one is rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to rights against exploitation, rights to freedom, religious freedom, for religious freedom. First one is rights to equality. In our society has a number of castes. Have no outcast, untouchable, and caste, high caste, etc. But they have no equality between them. But Bashveshwara reject the casteism and casteism and Suvarnas and established casteless society and written given equality between them, also given equal respect to women also. For example, so about woman is not a woman, woman is not a demon, woman is equal to God, Lord, Sangama Deva. Another woman is furtherly Basveshwara told that another woman is equal, not equal to another individual to another. She is equal to Goddess Parvati Devi, O Lord, Sangama Deva, who he who he killed, also given the equal respect to son of servant and son of prostitute after Shiva Diksha. Otherwise, God will punish them. Oh God, Sangamadeva. So, who he, if once, if outcast and untouchable peoples became a Shiva, devotee of Shiva, I will respect to their dogs by Pancha Padyaಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. O Lord, Pula Sangama Deva. Those who have no faith on God, though they are only the untouchables and Pula outcast. Third one, religious freedom, equality. Second one is religion, rights to equality, rights to freedom, Basveshwara given social freedom, economic freedom, moral freedom. Social freedom in our society, there are no freedom to low caste or outcast people to free movement. So in our society has a no freedom to outcast people who they can't express sadness, problems and pains, etc. But they can, but they are cleaning the debris, sewage, garbage, etc. in the village. But not free movement and no respect to them. So Bashveshwara as a sovereign person, as a prime minister, support to them to free movement to in the village and to stay at any part of the village and town. Also given Bashveshwara socio-economic freedom to them. Economic freedom means work is worship. Work has no inferior. So to do hard work, earn money and to lead a life independent and respectfully, not depend upon the others. And Dasoha, to do some money to further people in the society. So, third one is moral freedom. Given Bashveshwara, don't steal, don't kill, don't lie, etc. Given moral support to them. So, who lead a moral life, those who lead a moral life, they are independent persons or independent peoples. Bashveshwara written in his constitution. And the third one is exploitation. freedom against exploitation. In our society, freedom in temple, temple and temple. There is no entry to women and outcast peoples in the temple. So Bashveshwara given free from temple. And written that my body is the those who are rich they built temple. What can I do? I am poor. My body is the temple. Head is the golden pinnacle. Legs are the pillars. My soul is the divine. O Lord, Pula Sangam Deva. Soul will not destruct. Temple will destruct. So also Basaveshwara banned the killness of animal beings or living beings to show compassion on all living beings. Without compassion, that is not religion. So oh goat, don't cry, oh goat. God will punish them your cryness. Basaveshwara told that. So also Basaveshwara furtherly told that who he kill and kill, he is outcast. Who he eat a flesh, he is untouchable. What is the caste? What was their caste? Those who have all well wishes to living beings, they are only the Ulaj or noble or high caste. O Lord Kudal Sangama Deva. Basaveshwara argued that traditional caste system, untouchable or outcast is the result of one's cruel activities or bad habits, not a by birth. Fourth one is freedom to religious freedom. Religious freedom. Religious. Basaveshwara given religious freedom to us. In our given Ishtalinga Diksha to all in Mahamane, all have become a Sharanas or devotees of Shiva. And written Vachana mantras in Kannada language called mantras in Kannada language called Vachanas or Vachana literatures. Basaveshwara also told that about hell and heaven. World of God and world of mortal are not different. To the unrighteous is the heaven, unrighteous is the hell. To speak a truth, word of God. To speak a untruth, word of mortal. O Lord Pula Sangam Deva, you are the witness. Fifth one is cultural freedom. Culture of Basaveshwara to maintain the culture and for pursuit of the culture. For maintaining of culture, he written in his constitution. The first one is Guru Linga Puja should make. All are should make a Guru Linga Puja, Guru Linga Janma Puja. First, he will say that he had said that I will start business agriculture for Guru Puja. I will start business for Linga Puja. I will start social service for peoples. O Lord Pula Sangam Deva, you are given the wealth. I will spend for your work only, not another things. Our speak Basaveshwara written that our speak should be garland of pearls. Our speak should be light of diamond. Our speak should be Spatika Shalake. O Lord Pula Sangama Deva, you will like us. Also Basaveshwara told that written in his constitution about devotional marriage. About devotional marriage, I will wear a ring of Olinda leaf. I can raise a canopy of Chanthromas. I can hang a curtain of jasmine buds. Oh, all varieties of flowers come to my marriage procession. The marriage between mine and Lord Pula Sangam Deva. Ahimsa hi paramo dharma. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ ಐಸಾ ಹಿ ಪರಮೋ ಧರ್ಮ. Compassion is the religion. Without compassion, that is not a religion. Without compassion is not a religion. Compassion is the basic root of religion, to show the compassion on all living beings. Compassion without those who have no compassion, but God Pula Sangama Deva will not appreciate. Afterwards, Basaveshwara push June 6th rights is freedom of educational freedom. First one, educational freedom means those who are knowledge is the master and practice is the student. Those who have no knowledge about, those who have no understand the knowledge and practice, they have no liberation from this universe, O Lord Purla Sangama Deva. Those who are reading and who are what is the reading and what is the asking, what is the hearing, and they have no knowledge about, no faith on God. Their knowledge, their education is just like a giant or jumping horse. O Lord Purla Sangama Deva. About humility, Basveshwara told that humility is the real education. So humility he expressed as, Bashveshwara expressed as, spoken as, nobody is smaller than me, nobody is greater than devotee of Shiva. O Lord Purla Sangama Deva, this is your feet witness, my mind is yes. Ola ಆಯ್ತಾ. Sixth one. Seventh one is the fraternity, ಸಹೋದರತ್ವ, ವಿಶ್ವಬಂಧುತ್ವ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರದರ್ಹುಡ್. We all are one, not different. Who is he, don't tell. He is our own, tell. O Lord Purla Sangama Deva, he is our son, he is, all are one, we all came from God. So we are came from divine, so we all are son of God home. O Lord Bashveshwara, O Lord Purla Sangama, we all are same mind. So we are Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This is the fraternity. So for this purpose, Basaveshwara given fraternity in the 12th century. So for this reason, all so many people from all parts of India came to Kalyana and joined in Ambamantapa discussion. Afghanistan, Maruda Shankara Deva from Afghanistan, Kashmir, Mahadeva Bhupala from Kashmir, King, Shankara Deva from Sugnana Deva from Orissa, Kinari Bommaya from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Telugu Jommaya from Telangana, etc. came to Kalyana and joined in Anubhamantapa discussion. So on the basis of fraternity, Vishwabandhutva, brotherhood. Seventh is, these are the 7 commandments, 7 rights given to us. Basaveshwara given also 12 duties, to fundamental duties to us. First one to tell Sharanu Shanati to each other. The second one is to wear Ishtalinga in our neck. To worship of Ishtalinga compulsory. To make a devotional marriage with God. Devotee is the wife, divine is the husband. To give a equal respect to woman. To give a support to the marriage of widows and intercaste marriage. And to maintain the work is worship. To made a dasoham. To ban the killness of animal beings. Ahimsa paramo dharma. Compassion is the basic truth of religion. To make a membership of Anubhamantapa, devotee of Basveshwara, Sri Basveshwara. To make a pilgrimage once in a life to Kalyana. O Lord Purla Sangama Deva, this is the Ishtalinga. Nodu, ಇದು Ishtalinga. This was the Ishtalinga. Where in the neck, this Ishtalinga given by Lord Sri Basveshwara. This Ishtalinga worship, when worshipping of Ishtalinga, our mind and eyes are merging in divine, and we will get a soul moksha or liberation from this universe. This is the soul of God. This is the Ishtalinga. Sharanu Shanati. To once again, all Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Mahatma Basaveshwara.